Hi, I'm Katie from ShopWildThings. I'm standing in front of another custom fabric-backed flower wall getting ready to ship to a very important client. We are really excited about how beautiful these are, how quickly they get hung up. They have a rod pocket on the top and on the bottom, and they come in 4-foot wide by 8-foot tall panels. So you buy an 8-foot by 8-foot piece or whatever size that you'd like to buy. We do these totally custom. And then you just connect them together. If you would like a circle, a heart, just orchids, just hydrangeas, whatever flower that you want, whatever design that you want, we can do that. They get delivered very quickly, about 21 days. Some styles we're keeping made all the time and they can ship quickly. We have those tagged in the store, so we make it pretty easy to figure out which those are. I'm standing in front of one of our new rainbow ombre made-to-order flower walls. It has a fabric backing and it has a rod pocket top, so it very easily just slides onto pipe and drape, which we sell, and then these ties will allow you to tie it to the pipe and drape so that, as you can see over here, the pipe is totally hidden. So you can have this up and hung in a matter of minutes. These come in 2 panels, so I'm standing right in front of the seam here. I'm sure that you really can't tell where the seam is. It connects to each other with Velcro. We can make these in any size, any color, any style, any flower that you'd like. You might be wondering, why would you come to ShopWildThings and purchase these when you can get them from this Facebook page or this TikTok thing, or you're probably seeing these in a lot of different places right now. Make sure that you're dealing with folks who have been to the factories, who work directly with these factories, and that what you get is the actual photo that you looked at online. We clear customs for you. The price that you see on our website is the actual price delivered to you, and it's a full-size panel. So we don't want to knock other companies. There are a lot of great companies out there around the world, but we are making sure that you get what you pay for every single time and that it's on time. So let us stress out about those details. We've been in business since 1989, selling online since 2001, so you can trust ShopWildThings always. We love working with you and we can't wait to see what you'd like for us to make for you. If you have any questions, you can always call our team. They're super helpful and friendly, and they would love to give you a free, no obligation quote. Thank you so much.